and overflowing blessings to everyone. For our daily verse, we are now at Genesis chapter 15, verse 17 up to 21. And it came to pass that when the sun went down and it was dark, behold, a smoking furnace and a burning lamp that passed between those pieces. In the same day, the Lord made a covenant with Abram, saying, Unto thy seed have I given this land, from the river of Egypt unto the great river, the river Euphrates. The Kenites, the Kenizzites, and the Kadmonites, and the Hittites, and the Perizzites, and the Rephaites, and the Amorites, and the Canaanites, and the Girgashites, and the Jebusites.
Sabi ba gani
So that's it. That the Lord
Sister Annalyn,
already
sabaka wala namang gikaduman. Hanggang 20,
uh, the Lord already
27. I-ano na
accept
dapat
the
yun.
offering
Sabi ba gani Sister Annalyn,
the
itanggap na dahil sa kagkatsayo.
of Abraham. So the offering of
I-ano na
Abraham
dahil
was
sa
accepted
simbahan.
by the Lord, and of course the Lord
Sarang
knew
sa po ni Sister
and
Annalyn.
promised unto Abraham and to his descendants that yes, his descendant might be a slave to Egypt, but there will be a period of time that they will go out of Egypt to reclaim the land of Canaan.